Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So very wonderful good morning to all of you who are watching this video. So आप सभी का स्वागत है आज इस वीडियो में. You must be wondering that what background I am sitting. So today I am going to review. I am going to review a car, uh, which will you know definitely within a few minutes that which car I am going to give the review to you. So let's start with the video. If you Let's start the video. And today I'm going to shoot a video in both Hindi and English, so it might like. So let's start with the today's video. So जिस कार का आज मैं रिव्यू आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ वो है Isuzu S-Cap. Actually it is a commercial vehicle which comes in two variants, that is Isuzu S-Cap SDD Ride and the Isuzu S-Cap HR/HR Ride. So these are the two vehicles which come in this variant and which is used for the commercial use, and its total weight around is 2850 kgs. सो द इंजन का जो बे है तो कुछ इस तरह दिखता है. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट हियर. दैट इज़ अ टर्बो चार्जर, दिस इज़ द इंजन, दिस इज़ अ बैटरी. सो आई विल गिव द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग टू द इंजन. बेसिकली ये है, इट इज़ अ 2499 cc इंजन which is with the common rail VGT intercool system, which has a capacity of producing the maximum torque of 176 Newton meter and which can also able to produce the power of 75 HP. It is a diesel type fuel engine with the manual transmission, and it has a capacity of 50 and it has a fuel capacity of 55 liters. Exterior of the car somewhat look like this. Actually it is the car belongs to some other person. I have to return back him at till 9 o'clock. So I want to shoot everything which I can able to shoot. So the exterior of the car somewhat look like this. So in middle there is a Isuzu logo which is finished with the chrome, and there is some piano finish at the front side. Somewhat it look like this. There are two reflectors, and it is a commercial vehicle. They have taken the proper that the reflectors are important. So in front there are two reflectors instead of fog lamp. There is a reflector. Here is a it has a simple halogen headlight as shown. If you look at the side view of the car, it was something look like this. See, there is a Isuzu D-Max big sticker with the yellow radium at the bottom of the car, and it has a patching of S-Cap High Ride. So it is a second variant car. As I told, there are two variants. If you look it from the back side, it has a big logo of Isuzu at the back with the 2.5 TD intercool system has been written. The tail light somewhat look like this. It's quite simple, and it is a huge space. Here is from where we can operate this place, and here is quite a large space which we'll use to do all kind of work which you require, heavy duty work, and somewhat it look like this. That I want to add on this is that it comes with the simple base tire which is around 15 inches, and if you want to upgrade this tire we can go up to 16 inches, which has a wheelbase of 3095 mm, and if you look at the height is tremendous amount. There is a lot of space. I will show you. See, there is a lot of height between the tires and the road, so it is quite impressive that it can go anywhere. Somewhat it looks like this from this side also. At the interior of the car, it's quite simple but with the good quality of plastic, I must think, because it is looking great. The center of the instrumental cluster is somewhat look like this. Talking about the gear shifter, it is also simple. And so let's starting with the steering of the car. So steering of the car is quite simple. There is no button on any side of the steering wheel. It comes with the Isuzu symbol which is chrome finish. Talking about the instrumental cluster, it is also quite simple. The design is simple but great. It's not too bad or too good. It comes with the RPM meter and the speedometer. The left hand side is a RPM meter and the right hand side is a speedometer. After it is an initial view after turning off the ignition. These are the three lights which they are showing, that battery, seat belt, and there is a head brake, and in between there is a display which shows the fuel and the temperature and the total kilometers. So it was quite simple and great. Here is a AC vent, somewhat look like this, with the piano finish. Not so good quality, but still it gives a looks. Talking about the center, here is an AC knobs, which is a simple rotatory drive. We have to rotate for the further use. This is simple to operate. So if you look at on the door hat side, it is a charcoal color with a good plastic quality. The buttons are it has a power buttons all over present to the 4 windows, and it is quite simple. Have a look. Talk about the visibility, it is quite great visibility here. So I am at the driving position and see what kind of visibility I am seeing. It is a great position, means it will not disturb, even though the car looks huge from the outside, but from inside you has a great visibility. There are I think here is a holder, so we can hold and climb on both the side. There is also same. It is a simple rear view mirror. Talking about the back, here is it has a capacity that we can sit around 5 people in this car, 2 in front and 3 in back, and there is also a decent amount of space for a back person to have a look. About the riding position, or we can say the comfort of the car is good, as it is a commercial vehicle. So इस कार को जब डिज़ाइन किया होगा तो उसी वे में डिज़ाइन किया होगा कमर्शियल व्हीकल के साथ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रफ एंड टफ कार. एंड आई एम सेइंग दैट इवन दो इट इज़ अ कमर्शियल कार, ये भली कमर्शियल कार है, बट चलाने का फील एकदम क्लासिक है. एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट shoot now because the time is over. I have to give back this car to the person who it's belong. So and the things which I left is that the roof height. I am a person of 5.8 inches and still there is a lot of space. You can see there is a lot of movement between the rooftop and my head. So it is a quite decent amount of space in this car. It is quite spacious, and I, even though it is a commercial vehicle, but I am in the love of this car because I have ride this car from my home to the place where I am shooting, and it has I have no words to say, but the Isuzu has done a great work in terms of engine. For an initial stage, when we start the engine, it has a lot of noise, but after it goes, when we shift the gear from 2 to 3rd or 3 to 4, the engine is quite tremendous, smooth, and has a high power to produce. So this was my first review video. I know there are a lot of things that I want to share with you all. मैंने जितना कर सका मैंने शूट किया, because that I have a time bond. I have to return this car to the person. So if you like this video, you can go like, share and comment. And if you want to do something more, or if there is any suggestion, you can comment down below. And that's all. Like, share, and once again, thank you for watching this vlog. And if you like, you can go like, share and comment. And of course, please don't miss to hit a bell icon button, and please go and subscribe.